How to delete Facebook Messenger group permanently. So if you want to delete a group permanently on Messenger, then first of all open up your Messenger application, and then here you can simply go for a group. Simply tap on the group, and then you can go for the information icon which is on the upper right. And here if you scroll down, here you don't have an option to like delete the group. So what you can do is you can simply go for delete chat, or you can also tap on leave chat. On Messenger we don't have an option of deleting a group. Once you have created a group on Messenger, it won't be deleted. So the only option is to leave the chat. So simply tap on leave, and that's it. Now that chat has been removed from your Messenger. So that's it. That's how you delete, or that's how you remove group chats. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.